All right, folks, let's go take a little ride on the AT3 here. Hopefully you'll be able to see. I think might. I got it down and went to take a little ride earlier and found out with my new clutch cable that the clutch wouldn't engage. So I had to go through the adjustment procedure, and it seems to work now, although it's maybe might need a little refinement after I drive it for a while. It was working before I replaced the cable, so I think it's just the difference. The old cable was stretched a bit. So let's see what happens. Uh-oh. oil pump is working. I got premix in the tank. She's starting to smoke a little bit. Need to turn the idle up a little bit and make another adjustment to the air screw. Alright, that was a nice little ride. The old girl's doing good. Notice how I always take pictures on the left side? Well, let me turn the gas off. I always forget to do that. These carburetors always leak. This side doesn't look so pretty. It's got a little dents in it here. I could probably fix them, but why? It's a bike to ride, and I'm leaking something. What am I leaking here? Oil? Oh, out of the exhaust. I thought I had those holes fixed, but apparently not. There's some holes in the back of the exhaust. I may keep my eye open for another one. I welded a patch over it, but let me tell you, I am no welder. So anyway, she runs good.